Hi, I am Adam, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a single door dynamic block. Let's start. Units. Centimeters. Click OK. Zoom. Wipeout. Right-click. Draw order. Send to back. Enable ortho mode. Move down, 1. Move up, 1. Move up, 1. Move down, 1. Wipeout. Frames. Off. Select objects. Block. Name, Dynamic Door Tutorial 1. Pick point. Click. Open in Block Editor. Click OK. Zoom. Parameters. Base point. Click. Linear. Press Enter. Properties. Distance 1. Distance 2. Number of grips. 1. Distance 1. Distance name, thickness. Distance 2. Distance name, width. Zoom. Flip. Polyline. Make sure you draw the line from the middle vertex. Flip. Delete. Alignment. M2P. First point. Second point. Make sure the arrow is pointing down. Annotate. Standard. Manage text styles. New. Style name, new text style. Click OK. Annotative. Match text orientation to layout. Paper text height, 10 centimeters. Apply. Close. Insert. Define attributes. Tag, D1. Prompt. Enter door type. Default, D1. Justification. Middle center. Text style, new text style. Click OK. Click the center of the circle. Rotate.
Wow, the text never returns.
Define attributes. Tag, width. Prompt. Enter door width. Default. Insert field. Block placeholder. Width. Current precision, 0. Click OK. Update distance. Justification. Middle center. Text style. Standard. Text height, 10. Rotation, 90. Click OK. Move. Define attributes. Tag, height. Prompt, enter door height. Default, 210 centimeters. Justification. Middle center. Text style, standard. Text height, 10. Rotation, 90. Click OK. Move. Move. Actions. Stretch. Select parameter. Select parameter point. Create stretch frame. Select objects to stretch. Hold down Shift to deselect objects. Stretch. Select parameter. Select parameter point. Create stretch frame. Select objects to stretch. Select the stretch 1. Distance multiplier, 0.5. Scale. Select parameter. Select objects to scale. Stretch. Select parameter. Select parameter point. Create stretch frame. Select objects to stretch. Hold Shift to deselect objects. Stretch. Select parameter. Select parameter point. Create stretch frame. Select objects to stretch. We chose the flip parameters. Select stretch 3. Distance multiplier, 0.5. Flip. Select parameter. Select all objects. Flip. Select parameter. Select all objects. Hold Shift to deselect objects. Close block editor. Save the changes. Delete. Insert. Insert block. Select the block. Click. Enter door type, D1. Enter door width, 90 centimeters. Enter door height, 220 centimeters. Click OK. Width 100. Reagan. Zoom. Flip vertical. Flip horizontal. Thickness. Flip vertical. Right-click. Reset block. Regan. Width. 80. Regan. Finally, let's test the block. We quickly create a wall to see how the block works. Select the wall. Right-click. Draw order. Send to back. Alignment. Flip. Flip. Alignment.